today we're going to discuss again the acceleration. So when you say acceleration, so it's the change in velocity with respect to time. So acceleration is equal to change in velocity over change in time. Now what would be the symbol for acceleration, the small letter A? So acceleration is equals to change in time over change in velocity over change in time. Now the SI unit for acceleration is meter per second or meter per square second. Now, in terms of accelerations, we're going to talk about motion in a straight line. So if we talk about motion in a straight line, the first one is uniform motion. Now, velocity in a constant motion, acceleration is 0 and the velocity is equal to the average velocity. So its displacement is dx is equals to velocity times time. For example, a car moving at a constant velocity travels 30 meters in 5 seconds. So what is the speed of the car? The second one is how far will the object move in 10 seconds? So we have the time is equal to 5 seconds and the distance we have 30 meters. Now for letter A, so what would be the speed of the car? So we have the dx is equal to v multiplied to time. So the value for our d is 30 meters and for our time is 5. So therefore, 30 divided 5 is 6 meter per second. For letter B, how far will the object move in 10 seconds? So we have the ds equals to v times time. So our d is 6 meter per second and our time is 10 seconds. Therefore, velocity times time, that would be 60 meters. Cancel the seconds, so the remaining unit is in meters. So, how far will it take the object to move in 10 seconds? That is 60 meters.